We're going to be looking at interest, compounded interest. So to begin with, a formula we're using is P, which is the principal, the amount of money we start with, times 1 plus R over N. Now, the 1 inside the parentheses means you get your money one time, which basically your money plus some interest. My parentheses is going to be to a powered. My power is going to be N times T. So P is the principal, how much money we start with. R is the rate. The letter N stands for number of times it gets compounded in a year. And my T is going to represent years. So looking at question number 1. Natalie invests 7,674. That's going to be my principal in a savings account with a fixed annual interest rate of 9%. So 9%, as a reminder, it's as a decimal is 0.09. That's my rate. All I did, I moved my decimal 2 places to the left. Compounded 12 times per year. Now this 12 is my N, how many times it gets compounded per year. What will be the account balance after 9 years? My 9, this is my time. By coincidence, time and rate is the same number. So let's figure this out. The way I'm going to do this, I'm just going to go 7,674 times 1 plus 0.09 over 12. Now, I know my exponents, I have to go N times T, the number of times it gets compounded per year by how many years. So I'm looking at 12 times 9. So that happens to be 108. Now, let me get my calculator out. So I'm just going to go 7674. So 7,674 times, inside parentheses, I'm going to open my parentheses. I have 1 plus, my fraction can be written as a decimal, as a division, 0.09 divided by 12. Close my parentheses. And this is going to go to, so I'm going to do an exponent of 108. So principal times 1 plus rate over N, and then my exponent is N times T. Just press equal sign, and I get 17,198 with 39 cents. Notice my cents, I'm rounding it to 0.39. Okay, so let's take a look. That was 17,198.39. Every time we talk about money, round it to 2 decimal places. Let's take a look at question number 2. Kayla invests 6,668, that's our principal, in a savings account with a fixed annual interest rate of 9%. Remember, percent, I'm going to write it as a decimal, as 0.09. That's my rate. Compounded 12 times per year, so my 12 is my N. What will the account balance be after 5 years? So my T is going to be 5. So remembering the formula, I'm going to go 6,668, open parentheses, 1 plus, now my rate over N, I'm just going to write this as 0.09 over 12. Remember, 9%, and it gets compounded 12 times per year. Now, my exponent, I'm basically multiplying my N and my T. So the number of times per year in my years. So 12 times 5, that gives me 60. So for my exponent is N times T. Okay, so let's type this in. Let me get my calculator. Just gonna go 6,668 times, let me open my parentheses, 1 plus the fraction. I'm gonna write it as a division, 0.09 divided by 12. And then I'm gonna say to the, my exponent, oops, not that, to the, my exponent is to the 60. I'm using the little caret that most calculators have. So that's basically, I checked that that is basically what I wanted to type in. Press my equal sign, and I see I get $10,439 with 96 cents. So $10,439 with 96 cents.